My name is Peter, and I have recently passed the SQE assessment on my first attempt. I am a foreign qualified lawyer in Germany and Hungary. I deal with cross-border litigation for most of the time in Germany and in Hungary, every now and then in Austria as well. And I am currently the managing partner of a boutique law firm called NZP with seat in Germany and Hungary. Some of our corporate clients still have ties and/or litigation in England and Wales or in the UK in general, and I just wanted to be able to deal with these matters myself without having to involve a local solicitor overseas. And also it just provides me a better understanding of common law in general, which I also need when dealing, for example, with contract reviews, where the contract is based on English law, for example. In my opinion, taking some sort of preparation course is essential. This is especially true if you come from a civil law jurisdiction. I decided for QLTS school because it had the best reviews. The price was also affordable, and it was highly recommended by a friend in Germany who had taken the QLTS type of exam in the old system. I had overall a very good and pleasant experience. So once you book the course and once you are done with the onboarding procedure, which is quite smooth and straightforward, you have access to all the video materials and all the course material right away. I found the most beneficial being able to take the mock exams and also the general sample questions, because the sample questions provided by the Solicitor Regulations Authority, at least in my opinion, do not reflect the actual exam. That's where these QLTS school sample questions can play an important role. I allocated around 6 months to the whole project. During the first 4 to 5 months it was rather light studying, so I took 2 to 3 hours, usually during the morning hours, which would amount to 4 days a week, and then I took some time off, and during the final months of my studies it was basically studying all day, every day, amounting to 7 days a week. I didn't feel well prepared at all. I think it is a really tough exam. However, if I now compare myself to the other candidates who I sat together with and who potentially decided to work with another course provider, I think I can say that at least I knew all the time where the journey was going to, and it was my experience and feeling that they couldn't really say the same thing at the end of the day. Passing the SQE opens many new doors. Now I am able to handle the most sensitive cases where I am potentially needed in the UK myself as well, and requalifying also provides me with a better general understanding of how common law works. Taking some sort of preparation course is indispensable in my opinion. This is especially true if you come from a civil law jurisdiction. I think I wouldn't have been able to pass the exam without this preparation course, so my recommendation would be to everyone to consider this as imperative. My advice would be to take the time which is necessary, which would amount, in my opinion, something between 6 and 8 months. I, for example, took the January examination window, which had the advantage that I could take the holiday season for studying as well. Being a good lawyer would be just step number 0. You also have to be a good salesman, and clients more frequently prefer a one-stop shop kind of solution if they turn to a solicitor. And that's where requalifying as an English solicitor could make a huge difference in your career as well if you compare yourself to the competition.